And welcome to Basic English, your first 100 words. I'm Richard, and today we're going to make learning English fun and practical.
Hi everyone, I'm Nice, and I'm here to help you master those essential words that will get you communicating in English right away.
So Nice, we've all been there, landing in a new country, desperately needing to order food or ask for directions, but the words just won't come out.
Oh, I know that feeling. My mind went completely blank when I tried ordering coffee on my first trip to London. I ended up pointing at the menu like a cave person.
Exactly. That's why today we're focusing on those super practical words you'll need for basic conversations and especially for food situations. Let's start with greetings, shall we?
Perfect. So listeners, repeat after me. Hello. Simple but essential. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. These change depending on the time of day.
And don't forget the casual hi or hey for friends and informal situations. Oh, and my personal favorite response when someone asks, how are you? Just say, I'm hungry. That's always true in my case.
Richard, you're always hungry. But that's actually a perfect transition to our food vocabulary. When you're at a restaurant, you'll need to know how to order.
Absolutely. Start with I would like or simply I'll have, followed by your food choice. For example, I would like a sandwich, please.
And don't forget the magic word, please. It makes all the difference. Another useful phrase is, can I have the menu, please? Or what do you recommend?
Oh, and here's a funny story. I once tried to order a pizza with extra cheese, but accidentally said pizza with extra please. The waiter brought me a pizza with a side of confusion.
That's hilarious. Speaking of menu items, let's cover some basic food words. Bread, water, coffee, tea, meat, fish, vegetables, fruit, dessert.
And don't forget to learn how to express your preferences. I like or I don't like, followed by food items. For example, I like spicy food, or I don't like raw fish.
What about allergies, Richard? Those are important to communicate.
Absolutely crucial. Learn to say I'm allergic to, followed by common allergens like nuts, shellfish, or gluten. That could literally save your life.
Now let's talk about paying the bill. You might need to say, check please, or can I have the bill please? And when asking about the price, how much is this?
And when you're struggling with all these new words, never be afraid to say, I'm sorry, I don't understand, or could you speak more slowly please? Most people are happy to help language learners.
Exactly. Remember listeners, making mistakes is part of learning. I once asked for chicken soup, but pronounced it so badly they thought I wanted a kitchen mop.
That's nothing. I once tried to compliment a chef by saying the meal was delicious, but somehow said it was suspicious instead. Talk about awkward.
The look on your face must have been priceless. Let's wrap up with a few more essential phrases. Thank you, you're welcome, excuse me, sorry, and goodbye.
And my personal favorite phrase when all else fails, do you speak English? Followed quickly by, could you help me, please?
Those are lifesavers. Well, it looks like our 5 minutes are almost up. Remember, listeners, these first 100 words are your foundation. Practice them daily.
Next episode, we'll cover shopping vocabulary and how to ask for directions. Until then, keep practicing your food vocabulary every chance you get.
Thanks for listening to Basic English, your first 100 words. I'm Nice.
And I'm Richard. Goodbye, everyone, or as I like to say, see food later. I mean, see you later.
Oh, Richard, you and your food puns. Goodbye, everyone.